Join me today to learn how to make a creamy and delicious vegan gelato with simple ingredients. Join me today to learn how to make a creamy and delicious vegan gelato with simple ingredients. I'm Kat, owner of Charmin Chic Baking, and welcome to my channel. To make the vegan gelato base, you'll need the following ingredients. Vegan milk, I'm using coconut milk, but you can substitute with any type. Sugar, for low calorie, substitute with monk fruit or other sweeteners. Corn syrup or glucose for the stretch. You can eliminate this though. Cornstarch and xanthan gum are thickeners, and if you don't have xanthan gum, then you can eliminate that as well. Finally, you'll need vanilla extract or any of the flavorings, and then you can add your own purees and paste, which I'll be making a strawberry version later on. If you're using coconut milk, use the full-fat version for a creamier consistency. Don't worry about breaking it up at this point, as we're going to be heating it up and whisking it. Reserve about 1/4 cup of the coconut milk and add the rest to your pot, in addition to your sugar, corn syrup, and xanthan gum. Start whisking on medium heat until the sugars and xanthan gum are fully dissolved. In the meantime, add the cornstarch to the remaining milk. When the mixture reaches about 60 degrees Fahrenheit or hot to the touch, add the cornstarch mixture and continue to mix vigorously with your whisk at medium-low for about 3 minutes. You don't want the mixture to boil, or you'll end up with scalding the milk at the bottom. After 3 minutes, the mixture is at 74 degrees Fahrenheit and thickened. After 3 minutes, the mixture is at 74 degrees Fahrenheit and thickened. Pour the mixture in a heat-safe bowl and cover with plastic, pressing the plastic right on the cream to avoid forming a skin. Then chill the mixture for at least 4 hours or overnight. After the mixture is chilled, remove the plastic and give it a mix with a whisk to smooth it. It'll look like thin pudding consistency. Then add your purees or other flavorings. I'm adding about 1 cup of pureed ripe and juicy strawberries since it's still strawberry season. If you want to bump up the flavor, you can add half a teaspoon of strawberry flavoring as well. I'll add it to the description below. Pour the mixture in your ice cream maker and set to gelato setting. This will churn the mixture slower, resulting in a creamy and dense gelato without too much air. My machine is getting a little old, so it's starting to shake around. Pour the mixture in your ice cream maker and set to gelato setting. This will churn the mixture slower, resulting in a creamy and dense gelato without too much air. My machine is getting a little old, so it's starting to shake around. I'm going to stop the machine here as it's starting to overflow, but it looks so good. The consistency of this vegan gelato is really nice and creamy. I would recommend though serving it right away because once you freeze it, it will harden quite a bit in your home freezer. If you are serving it later, keep it out for about 10 minutes to soften before scooping. I have these really cute gelato containers that I'll also put in the link in the description below on where to order. And there you have it, easy vegan gelato. Not only is it vegan, but gluten-free and allergen-free. It's very versatile with the addition of different purees, flavorings, and even mix-ins, and makes for the perfect summer dessert. Creamy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel, and let me know in the comments below on what you'd like to see in future videos.